Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be reviewing Headband Wigs by Jada Wigs, which is a company I found on Facebook, and I saw this wig on this website and I'm like, oh, I love it. Like, it had highlights and stuff. I paid like $70 approximately for both of these wigs. I think they're synthetic, they might be human, I'm not sure, but we'll get into that in a minute. Before we get started, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. As always, I love hearing from you, so comment down below if you enjoyed this video. Without further ado, let's get started. I opened the mailing package and this is what they look like. They just come in regular packages. This is actually the wig that made me purchase from this site. I'll show you probably like right here the picture of the girl in this video, and I'm like, oh, I love this wig. Like, I usually don't get color wigs or colored hair at all. I'm usually just 1B or 2 at the most, but this wig was so cute on her. I'm like, I really want to try that. So this is the wig that made me buy from this company. It looks a lot lighter in the package than what I thought it would be. Like, I don't know if you can see how brown that is. So this is really how it comes. This is how the other one came packaged, you know. It's stuck in the little net. And see, when I show you, or since I've shown you that picture, this is not the wig she had on her head. Like, this is not it. This is a completely brown wig. My hair is not this color. I'm already a little agitated at this now. Okay. Because this is not what I wanted. This is not the wig that I ordered. This is not the wig that I saw. But anyways, we're gonna give it a try. Maybe I just need to put it on. It's soft, but it's so crunchy, like synthetic looking, especially underneath. Like, this feels hard underneath here. You can tell there's like plastic. And then on the outer part, or on the outside, it's slightly softer, but this is not the wig that I ordered. This is not what I wanted. This is not even the same color. But anyways, let's give it a try. I must say, it came in like a little net. I did actually open this one before I did this video because I was so excited, but I probably shouldn't have done that because look at it. Ooh, yeah. Hopefully I didn't mess this one up. So this is the full highlight body wave curly headband wig, and it's temperature resistant, so it's not human hair, but you can style it up to a certain temperature with your flat iron or curling wand. But okay, this is what we're working with. My hair is loving the break that I'm giving it, but let's just say I've been a little lazy. I'm not even gonna lie. When you work from home, look, you get what you get. And then I also went to Walmart today, got me a wig cap because I figured I want my hair to be compressed as much as possible. Of course, they didn't have any wig caps, so I have a wave cap, and hopefully it works because I just was not about to go to the beauty supply. Y'all, this is so small. My head is so big. Like, oh my gosh, I'm trying to stretch it out just a little bit. Y'all, it was by the grace of God. Ooh. Ow. Okay, we're gonna have to hurry up. Have my edge control. I use the edge booster. I think this is cherry. Is it cherry? Yeah, cherry scent. I've had this for like a year. I don't even know if you're supposed to keep it that long, but I don't use that much. There's one side done. I usually don't do more than 2 little swoops and call it a day, okay? They never come out like as twins, just like my eyebrows. Literally one side will swoop, the other side will just go back. I wanna start with the wavy one first. I don't know how to put this on exactly. I think I should do it like this. Ooh, okay. Let's do that. Ooh, this Velcro is about to drive me up a wall. Okay. So I secured the tooth or the comb in the back. Lord. Okay. Y'all. Oh my goodness. I'm trying. I need like a ponytail holder or something. Okay, forget it. If his hair stuck back there, his hair stuck back there. Let me turn around. Okay, it's still bouncing. It looks synthetic to me. It's very shiny. But then again, this wig was $30. $27.99 to be exact. So, I mean, it's not that bad. I'm gonna try to comb it. I don't want to comb out the curls. Oh Lord. Let me get up. I mean, I don't think I'm combing out the curls, but I wonder why it's so difficult to comb, you know? So I have to switch to my Cantu detangler brush. I don't know why I forget, like, you really shouldn't be using no comb, you know, to be brushing out hair like this. This brush is working much better, so make sure you get you a brush. Ooh, it's the ends that's just a little rough. It is shedding. Okay, for $30. Let me stop. For $30, y'all, I'm not mad at it. If I would have paid more for this wig, I honestly would be mad because it is synthetic and it is shedding a little bit. But for $30, okay, I like this one. I'm not even gonna lie. It's very easy. I'm not a big wig person at all, but I do feel the need to protect my hair. So if I can keep my hair braided like how it is underneath, I love that because I don't have to manipulate my own hair all the time. And I get to switch up hairstyles without commitment because it's not a sew-in, it's not glued in. I think it's a different look for me. It's very cute. It was only $30, so there was room for me to think worse of it, you know, for it to be a bad product, but it's really not. But it does shed, and I feel like maybe I got it a little too long because whenever I move around, I just feel like it's frizzy, you know, like the curls just get a little tangled, and I feel the need to constantly brush it, which is, you know, it can be time consuming and annoying, and then you're eventually just, you keep brushing it, and I said it sheds a little bit, so that could be a potential problem for certain people. But this is literally my first headband wig. Maybe I'll try some mousse on it to try to keep the curls together, but we'll see. Okay, so this one is next. I'm gonna try to make this install easier than the first one because I was really struggling. Oof. Okay, so I got the wig on. I didn't use any of the combs that are in there. I just used the headband to secure it. So far, I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. This is not the wig. Like, let me show you right here the picture of the wig that I saw, and this one is clearly not the same wig. It's not even the same color. Not only that, I don't like the curl pattern. This is the natural curly human hair headband wig. It's frizzy. It's not the right color. This looks crazy because my hair is clearly black, but you know, besides that, this wig was $47.99. This is the back. Yeah, no. This is not it for me. I'm gonna try to brush it out, give it a chance. Maybe we can save it. I highly doubt it, but I'm not happy with this one. And it has nerve enough to be more expensive than the other one. So let me, Lord. Let me just put some of that on there. Oh, this might be making it worse. Oh my goodness. Ooh. What in the world, y'all? I'm just trying to figure out, like, Like, I mean, I like big hair and I will definitely wear it poofy, but dang, it's like the end of these wigs are just, Lord, are so hard to manage. I don't get why that is. I'm gonna end up cutting it in a minute. No, look at this. But let me be fair, let me go ahead and put on this headband like I did the other one. Honestly, I wish I could take this one. I could send this one back. It's probably way past the time frame and I've already combed it out and I still don't like it. This one is not for me, and I was really excited about this wig. This one, again, is called the Naturally Curly Human Hair Headband Wig. This was $47.99. Combined, I paid $70.85 for both wigs. For me to like 1 out of 2 wigs, you know, I'm not really mad about it. I probably will never wear this one, I'll be honest with you. I might end up throwing it away. I might cut it, play with it. Who knows? Maybe I'll try to straighten it and try to save it. I don't know. But this one also is shedding as I run my hands through it. So there's that as well. Maybe I'll give this site another chance since I did like the first one. It looks nice to me. It's a good value for $30. I can't be mad at that. But overall, I'm happy with my purchase. I don't like this one. I'm not gonna wear this one. I'm gonna try to straighten it. The wavy wig I'm very happy with my purchase. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I did. I'm very excited to have a new hairstyle, so to speak, because of course we all like to switch it up, like something new, like to give our hair a break. Okay, I'm still gonna wear my natural hair, still gonna make natural hair videos, but I am going to switch it up from time to time. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Like this video, make sure you comment down below if you like the first wig as much as I do. If you think I should try to save this wig, comment down below. We'll see. Make sure your post notifications are on so you know when I upload my videos, and I'll see you next time.